who's going to be Delhi ka Mukhyamantri? Because that's now a much awaited name. A lot of deliberations, discussions on among the BJP groups and as much for the cadre. The hectic meetings that have been on, remember, while after the sweeping victory, celebrations have concluded and it's back to business. We are told, however, the name will be announced after Prime Minister Modi returns from the United States of America. Now, the national capital could even see a woman chief minister or at least a deputy CM if the speculations are to be believed. The BJP is considering that there will be a CM and a deputy CM. One of these positions will be of an underrepresented background, socio-economic background as well. All of that will be taken into consideration. Now, remember that there are women legislators who are being considered, who have secured historic landmark victories and with significant margins. Apart from that, of course, there's Parvesh Verma, Vijender Gupta, Satish Upadhyay, others as well with probable names for the top position. But having known the BJP, could there be a surprise this time too?
मन प्रफुल्लित हो उठा है और दिल्ली के देवतुल्य मतदाता को भाजपा के डबल इंजन की सरकार की बहुत बधाई, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार और अभिनंदन।
मैम, चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन बन रहा है?
शीर्ष नेतृत्व तय करेगा।
पार्टी ने मुझ पर विश्वास किया, मुझे ग्रेटर क्लास से प्रत्याशी बनाया। आभारी हूँ पार्टी की कि उन्होंने ये मुझे इस लायक समझा। तो मैं अभी ये समझती हूँ कि जो जिम्मेदारी मेरे ऊपर विधायक के रूप में आई है, अब उसको कैसे निभाना है, मैं इसकी आज से ही योजना बनानी शुरू कर दी।
दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री विधायक दल की बैठक में और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के निर्णय से तय होगा। वो कोई भी हो सकता है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता होगा।
पहली बात तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। हमारे यहाँ विधायक दल की बैठक होगी। हमारा शीर्ष नेतृत्व माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी, गृह मंत्री जी, तमाम शीर्ष नेतृत्व तय करेगा। जो तय करेगा वो सब लीडर्स को मंजूर होगा। इसलिए ये कोई इशू ही नहीं है। और दूसरा जो है, उससे बड़ा इशू ये है कि दिल्ली के लोगों ने नरेंद्र मोदी जी की गारंटी में विश्वास किया है, उनकी नेतृत्व में विश्वास किया है, उनके सुशासन में विश्वास किया है। उस सुशासन की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन दिल्ली में भी हो जाए, मैं समझता हूँ ये हमारे लिए ज़्यादा बड़ी जिम्मेवारी है। जो मैनिफेस्टो, जो उम्मीद हमने दिल्ली के लोगों की जताई है, उस उम्मीद पे हम खरा उतरें, वो हमारे लिए ज़्यादा बड़ा चैलेंज है। बाकी कुछ चैलेंज नहीं है।
All right, so everyone's hopeful, but also everyone's a little cautious as well with their statements. Don't want to say beyond what is necessary. Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, so there were about 4 to 5 frontrunners. Then comes in a speculation. It could be a woman. It could be someone from a certain underrepresented background. What are you picking up on the strategy of the BJP?
Well, Pooja, in the last 2 to 3 days, we have been told that there are multiple internal meetings those are going on within the BJP General Secretary Organization, VL Santosh, along with Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and many others. They are holding an internal meeting and the media is not being told about these meetings. And these meetings are basically taking place to zero in as to who will be the next Chief Minister of Delhi. And like you rightly mentioned that, yes, earlier there were 4 to 5 front runners, but now a name of woman candidate is also coming to the fore. Why? Because you would remember that during the course of campaign, Arvind Kejriwal said that Aam Aadmi Party is winning 55 seats, and if women support Aam Aadmi Party, then it could cross 60. So women voters have a lot of say, not only in Delhi politics but across India, and that is why women are also being a woman candidate is also being considered for the chief minister. But we are also told is that apart from chief minister, there will be a deputy chief minister. BJP is looking at all the combinations, caste and region combinations are also being looked into. There's an enormous amount of Purvanchal voter in Delhi. Then we have Punjabis, Jat, also Bania. So BJP will have to look into all the permutations and combinations, and then only we would expect the announcement to take place. And the most likely it will happen only after PM Narendra Modi returns back to country.
Piyush, thank you very much. We'll be updating all that and more.